How to fix screen mirroring on iPhone. Launch the Settings application on your device first and tap on General and then on AirPlay and Handoff. Here tap on Automatically AirPlay and make sure it is set to Automatic or ask it should not be set to Never. As you can read the description, iPhone can ask to AirPlay or when able to automatically AirPlay, it connects to nearby speakers and TVs when playing content from apps you regularly use with AirPlay. The second thing that you have to take note of is the device compatibility. Not every single device and not every single TV actually supports AirPlay, which is why you always need to check if your external display regarding whether it's a TV or anything else supports AirPlay feature or not. Look for the AirPlay icon on the display to ensure compatibility. Next, make sure your iPhone is connected to the same Wi-Fi as the Wi-Fi of your TV or external display. Your iPhone should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the other device to make sure that it works seamlessly. Now tap on General in Settings again and then in VPN and Device Management and make sure you are not connected to any type of VPN services. In General again, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and reset network settings. Doing this will reset all network settings and will return them to factory defaults, meaning all your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings, and cellular settings will be returned to factory defaults. Some glitches in the network configuration can sometimes hit the screen mirroring, but keep in mind that whenever you reset the network settings, some things like Wi-Fi passwords or the devices that are remembered in your Bluetooth section, everything is going to be reset. So you will have to reconnect them again, preferably to the same Wi-Fi. Now tap on Bluetooth and toggle off the Bluetooth button to avoid interference while attempting to use screen mirroring. Lastly, tap on General and then on Software Update and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS, since it is crucial as it ensures the features function smoothly. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.